Yeah, that's McShane Post back there, and he's pretty awesome at just about everything. And you don't expect Kid Rock Jr. to... I'm sorry, I stole your joke.
You did, but it works, doesn't it? I thought so.
He called him Kid Rock Jr. all weekend last week. Yeah, you don't expect that from him. What you expect is a really good breakup song, and that he can deliver too.
I don't choose my songs. He does.
Brown-eyed handsome man.
You know why I wear these glasses, Philip?
Why, McShane?
Because I have brown eyes.
There you go.
Anyway, now it's time for Hillbilly Songs with Shane Mack. A part of the show where Shane Mack comes out here and sings the Hillbilly song. It's not Ghost Rider. I went to the doctor, he said I'm alright. I know that he's lying, I'm losing my sight. He should have examined the eyes in my mind. 20/20 vision and walking around blind. With my eyes wide open, I lay in my bed. If it weren't for dying, I'd wish I were dead. But this is my punishment, death is too kind. 20/20 vision and walking around blind. Take it away, Peter. You just couldn't know her the way that I do. You say that she's wicked and maybe that's true. But one thing I do know, she's no longer mine. 20/20 vision and walking around blind. I've lost her, oh, what can I do?